In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete address from Waze in 2026. So grab your iPhone and let's walk through this together like you're cleaning things up in the app right now. Start by opening the Waze app on your phone and give it a moment to fully load until you're on the main map screen and everything looks normal. Once Waze is open, look up at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the menu icon. This opens the main Waze menu where you'll see your profile at the top and a list of options underneath. Let the menu slide all the way out so you can see everything clearly. From here, go ahead and tap on Settings. This takes you into the section where Waze stores all of its configuration options, including privacy controls and history settings. When the settings screen opens, scroll down a bit until you find Privacy, then tap on it. Inside the privacy section, you'll see options related to how Waze handles your data and activity. Scroll down slightly until you find recent locations. This is the area where Waze keeps a list of places you've recently searched for or navigated to. Go ahead and tap on recent locations to open that list. Once the recent location screen opens, you'll see a list of addresses and places you've used recently. Take a moment to look through the list and find the specific address you want to delete. When you locate it, look to the right side of that address and tap on the three dots next to it. Those three dots open up more actions for that specific location. After tapping the three dots, a small menu will appear. From that menu, choose Remove. Waze will then ask you to confirm your decision, just to make sure you really want to delete this address from your recent locations. Go ahead and confirm. As soon as you confirm, the address is removed instantly. There's no loading screen and no need to restart the app. You'll see it disappear from the list right away, and Waze will no longer suggest that address when you tap the search bar. If you want to delete more addresses, you can repeat the same steps for each one. Just tap the three dots next to another address, choose Remove and Confirm. It works the same way every time and only takes a few seconds per location. This is really useful if your recent locations list has become cluttered, or if there are places showing up that you don't go to anymore. It's also a good privacy step if you share your phone with someone else, or simply don't want certain addresses appearing in your search history. It's important to know that deleting an address from recent locations does not remove saved places like home, work, or any locations you've manually saved in the saved section. Those are managed separately and won't be affected by this process unless you delete them from the saved menu. Also, removing a recent address doesn't affect your Waze account, navigation settings, or past routes outside of this list. It only clears that specific location from your recent history, nothing more. If you don't see the address you're looking for right away, try scrolling through the list slowly. Recent locations can include places you searched for, places you navigated to, or locations Waze picked up during use, so the list can be longer than expected. And if you ever change your mind, there's no undo option for removed locations, but you can always search for the address again in the future. If you navigate to it again, it will simply reappear in your recent locations list like normal. This cleanup can be done anytime, and there's no limit to how many locations you can remove. It's a quick way to keep Waze feeling organized and focused on the places you actually use. So just to go through it one more time in a smooth, natural flow, you open Waze, tap the menu on the top left, go into Settings, tap Privacy, scroll down and open Recent Locations, tap the three dots next to the address you want to delete, choose Remove and Confirm. And that's it. That's how you delete an address from Waze in 2026 using your iPhone. It only takes a minute, but it's a simple and effective way to keep your recent locations clean, relevant, and a little more private every time you use the app.